Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to upload a video on Rumble. If you are new to Rumble or want to start sharing your content there, this guide will help you get your first video uploaded in just a few minutes. First, you sign in if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you log in. Step on your right, you'll see where your profile is. You'll see a picture of the video. You click there. When you click it, will come and select the video to upload. You click it there. When you click, you go to your gallery and select the video. When you select, you say upload. Then the video is being uploaded. The video has been uploaded. You can see it there. Then now you come to the title. You write the title of your video, just like YouTube. You write the title. After you write the title, you go to the description of the video. You can describe what the video is all about, just like YouTube, but not so many words. It's always good to give a description on what your video is. Sometimes people go to check on the description, they read, and they watch the video. So it's always good to have a description. Uploading a video on Rumble, it's a bit different from uploading on YouTube. That's why I want to take you step by step. So after the description, down there are two categories, primary category and secondary category. For primary category, you look for what your video is all about. Like mine, it's about cats. And here, there's nothing like cat. So if there is cooking, vlogs, but I didn't see anything of the cat, so I chose entertainment. Then you go to secondary category. Here now, you look for the same cat and So here is found a cat and the kitten. You just scroll down to choose something that is equivalent to the video that you are posting. So here I want to type because the ones are too many, cat and kitten, and I got it. Click it, then you come down there. There is where after this is the video, there the thumbnail. You click next to where you click the thumbnail of the video. So when you click, it will take you to your gallery. You choose the thumbnail, then the thumbnail is there. It's telling me the thumbnail should be 16:9. Mine is vertical. That's why, because this is a short. I was posting a short. That's why. It's not a full video, it's a short. So after that, come here, there's where you have to add the tags. You have to type tags. Here I can type like cat, kittens, cat lover, cat feeding. Those are the tags that you can type there. But it's optional, but it's good to type because they help with the algorithm. You can type as if you want many, if you want few, you can just type them. Then after, you see something like related video shown on short only. You can click feature video on the top of the profile. You click there. When you click there, then visibility, you go to public. You can schedule if you want. Then after that, you click send mobile push notification to followers. You click there. After clicking there, then you go down and click upload on your right. Now you can see upload, share and license your videos. Now this is where I want you to be very, very attentive. Here is where you license your video. There is video management exclusive first, then video management excluding YouTube, Rumble only, then there is personal use. You can read Is personal use is not monetized, not searchable to all your subscribers. So I want to explain this. Video management exclusive, it means Rambo gets exclusive control of your video across all platforms, including YouTube. You want Rambo to distribute. So you choose this if you want Rambo to distribute your video to news sites, TVs, and do not plan to post it anywhere else. Because if you choose this and you post somewhere else, you'll have a strike. Then there is video management excluding YouTube. This means Rambo manages rights everywhere except YouTube. You can post on YouTube but nowhere else. So you choose this if you only post on YouTube and Rambo only. Then there is Rambo only, non-exclusive. This means you retain full rights. Rambo only monetizes the video on the Rambo platforms itself. This is recommended if you want total freedom to post on YouTube, Facebook, or other platforms simultaneously. No monetization. Rambo holds the video but no ads are served. You just want a private host or link to share with friends. So when you're uploading the video, you have to know what you want. If you want to own the rights, if you want Rambo to own the rights, if you want the rights to be shared to YouTube or no rights at all, it is upon you to know. This is the main point that you're supposed to get it right when you're uploading. So for me, I'll just use Rambo only because this video is already on YouTube and I don't want any copyright. So I'll choose. How do you know you've chosen? It should be in green. When it is gray, you've not chosen. When it's green, it is chosen. Then after that, you go down there, you'll see you have not signed exclusive agreement with any other partners. You click yes. If you've not signed with any other partners, yes. Click here to agree to our terms and conditions. Then you click. After you click, then you say upload a video. Yes. You upload. For me, I'm not uploading because it is already already uploaded on Rambo and already uploaded it before. So I think up to there, you're able to understand how you're supposed to post, to upload your video, you know what you're supposed to do. So as I told you before, you get monetized even without followers. You can see I don't have any subscribers. I have one follower and already I am monetized. You see, it's telling me I haven't earned anything, but I'm eligible to earning. I haven't been serious. I have 26 views. I've just posted 2 shorts. So because there's something I'm doing so that I can start getting serious already. So this is the analytics for July, and yeah, I have nothing to show because I just joined 3 days or 4 days ago. Yeah, 4 days ago. So I have nothing. I only have 1 follower, 0 subscriber, but still you can see I can earn even without any subscriber. So I think this is another platform that it is good. You can try. See, I have 2 shots. You can try it. You can share the video you post there. You can come and post them here. So making it easier because you don't have to create another video for this platform. You just post on YouTube, you come here and post here. So long as you remember to click Rambo only. Yeah, because so that you can own the rights from both. You can own the rights, yeah. So yeah, I hope up there you understood everything that you're supposed to understand on regarding the uploading the video. You see, it's not like YouTube. That's why I decided to come and show you so that when you're uploading, you don't mess up or something happen. You wonder what's really happening. You are told it's like YouTube. But I wanted to take you step by step, and up there, I think you have understood anything. If you've not, you can just leave a comment down below. I'll read, I'll answer, I'll guide you. And being your teacher, I saw it's best to guide you, because even me, the first day when I was uploading, I was like, yeah, what are these? I didn't know. I thought it is like YouTube where you just upload, monetize. Here you don't monetize, they monetize it for you. That one I knew. But I thought it's like YouTube, just a description and that's it. But not. And that's how you upload a video on Rumble. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. If you have any question, leave them in the comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.